Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, do the annual benchmark test comparison between the Dimensity 800U from the Realme Narzo 30 Pro versus the Realme X1 Max device with the Dimensity 1200 chipset. As you can see friends, exactly. So with the Dimensity 800U, I'm trying to use the 6GB RAM variant with the Realme UI 2.0 and Android 11 version, as you can see exact version which I'm trying to run, and is the Realme X1 Max with the Dimensity 1200 and which has got the 8GB plus 5GB enabled as well during this process of demonstration. Let's see how much the difference can it be there between both phones in terms of the CPU and the GPU. That is what my main focus will be there during this process of testing. So all the apps are completely clean from the background. As you can see friends, everything is pretty clean, and I'm trying to use the brightness also slightly close to 50% brightness, as you can see friends, exactly. So 50% brightness I'm trying to use in both phones. Now let me need to start the annual benchmark application. At same time, both phones I did start the annual benchmark application. Let's see friends how much the Dimensity 800U can score and how much the Dimensity 1200. So how much difference can it be there between both phones? So that's what I'm going to exactly compare. So how much CPU and the GPU scores can it be difference between both phones? So let's see friends, and this is going to be really interesting, and this is my first time comparing both phones side by side in terms of the annual benchmark score, and which has been requested by few of my subscribers. So again I'll be back after some time to check the temperatures in both phones. So right now we are getting close to the final results of the annual benchmark test, and the temperature is of 34 and 35 degrees. So slightly 1 degree more in the Realme X1 Max. So nothing much huge difference between the Dimensity 800U and the Dimensity 1200. So in terms of the temperature, it's not a huge, only 1 degree is more in the Realme X1 Max device. So right now, Realme X1 Max was able to score about 6,74,000. As you can see from the score in this phone. And whereas the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, which has got the Dimensity 800U processor, scored about 4 lakhs of benchmark score. That's fantastic friends, 4 lakhs, as you can see clearly. So and 4 lakhs versus 6,74,000. So total there is a difference of close to 2,75,000 difference is there between both phones in terms of the annual benchmark wise. So even the Dimensity 800U is quite good. It did score that kind of range as well, 4 lakhs. Let me try to take the screenshot. And here's a screenshot which I taken, and right now let's compare with the CPU. CPU 1,13,000, 1,74,000, and GPU 1,04,000, 2,36,000. Huge difference in the GPU. As you can see, there's a huge difference. And temperatures you can see maximum 34.2 and 35 degrees. Nothing much major increased during this process of demonstration. As you can see exactly friends between both phones. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones in terms of the annual benchmark test. And in case if you want me to do any other different comparison between both devices, Dimensity 800U and the Dimensity 1200, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.